You know, there's a lot of motives in this case. The prosecution doesn't have to prove motive, but they have floated several, and none of them seems to be the one. You know, sometimes they say when the answer is multiple, then it's really none of those. But there's been floated that he did this to try and avoid that $1.5 million judgment from his ex-wife, Heather, who we heard from, or that he perhaps had been found out by Mindy, that he was lying about so many things, or that he wanted to be with his third wife, who he had already started to have an interest in. What do you make of him getting on the stand and trying to explain away those motives, perhaps to say none of those were the reason?
He's going to have to take the stand and explain away a lot. The motives will be some of them. But to me, if he doesn't do that, then he's leaving a big, massive hole. The gods of the jury will punish you if they feel that you are insulting their intelligence. So he does not take the stand and explain away the motives, the reasoning, the $1.5 million judgment, his mindset, because that's what it really comes down to. If he doesn't do it, they'll punish him, because at the end of the day, somebody killed her. He's saying it's not me. Well, who else would have? You're the only person who had the motive. And your behavior was so bizarre. This is if I was a juror in the jury room. Your behavior was so bizarre. Nobody else could have killed her. So you must, whoever was pursuing you on that 1.5, your previous, she wasn't going to murder her. So he's going to have to take the stand for those reasons.
We will be standing by to see what he says first thing in the morning. Michael Jaafar, thank you for all of your comments and analysis on this case. We've got to squeeze in a break.